it's time to attach the arms. Can you see how much natural curl they have? It has to do with the difference in tension between sort of the back side where we brought the yarn back behind the I-cord and the front where we were doing the knitting. So I actually like to take advantage of that, and rather than, if I want my gnome to be like, have an attitude, you can do it like that, but I actually do mine sort of following the curve of the beard, so that curve goes forward. Thread our yarn onto our needle. I've got it positioned like this, and again, like with almost every one of my gnome designs, I like to get it really up tight to where the hat and the body meet. I go through sort of the top of the circle of the where we drew the yarn through to fasten off those stitches, and I grab a whole stitch right at the corner of the beard, this little spot where the beard, the hat, and the body are all coming into contact with each other. And I pull that nice and tight. See how we're doing in terms of how that natural curve is facing us? We're good. So now I'll go through and do the exact same thing again. Now I'm going to go the opposite direction, so I'm going to come in sort of from the front of the arm and go the other way, making sure I don't come through that loop. We don't want to tie a knot at this point. And depending on whether this is a toy or a decoration, I'm either done or doing it again. But for a decoration, this arm is definitely staying put. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here to the back of the arm. I'm going to go through about, well, I'm going to come through here. And now, right in this spot here, I'm going to create another little knot, go through that, snug it down really nice and tight. And then all I do is I plunge my needle through the body and I push it all the way through the stuffing. I come out on the other side. I pull it taut, snip it real close, and it disappears into the body. And there we have an arm attached. Natalie's got arms. I'm going to do one more tutorial, and then I'm going to take some beauty shots. I hope that the Gnome de Plume pattern is as full of personality and a gardening vibe as you were hoping. I'm really glad that so many of you have joined me as a mystery part of this, and those of you who've been waiting to see what it looked like before participating, that's totally cool. I get it. I hope that these videos are helpful to everyone, and I and Natalie wish you goodbye.